Hi guys, my name is Dee, for those of you that do not know me, but I wanted to let you know, a year ago, I decided to learn affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Basically, you promote a product for a business or a service and they pay you a commission. And anytime somebody clicks on that product and makes a purchase, you make money. And they're basically just saying, thank you for sending me a customer. Now, here's the thing. This product I promote, it's a course, it's the same course I took that teaches you how to do what I'm doing. And I just use my social media to make videos. I make videos around the house or outside or walking around, but I do put content on those videos and I do post 3 to 5 videos a day. Now, I want to let you know, I got an email yesterday when I was sitting at work and the email told me I earned a commission. Now, every time you make a sale, depending on how many sales you make a month, you can earn a commission, and this is what that commission was. This commission that I got paid is more than I make in 2 weeks at my healthcare job. So guys, if you are ready to step out of your comfort zone and get rid of the excuses and learn a new skill all about digital marketing, I'm here to help you. And honestly, if you're wanting to pay off debt, quit your 9 to 5, travel more, go shopping, whatever you want to do, you can do this as a digital marketer or affiliate marketer, whatever word you want to use. But I want to let you know it is possible because I'm just an ordinary person just like you.